Thousands of hands, one rhythm, steps in unison, full of enthusiasm. Elementary school students from Cot Girek District, North Aceh Regency, successfully rocked the stage on the eve of the 80th Indonesian Independence Day with a mass Ratoh Jaroe Dance, an extraordinary cultural performance, proof of our young generation's love for their homeland and pride in their ancestral heritage. The simultaneous movements, full of meaning, illustrate the unity, discipline, and love of culture that burns within the souls of the nation's future generations. This is proof that the spirit of the red and white flag never fades. Thank you, the amazing children of Cot Girek. Ratoh Jaroe Dance from Aceh. Ratoh Jaroe is a traditional dance from Aceh, Indonesia, performed by groups of young women sitting in a straight line. The dance is often compared to the famous Saman dance, but Ratoh Jaroe is known as its female version. It combines rhythm, song, and synchronized body movements that create a powerful visual performance. The dancers sit side by side, moving their hands, arms, shoulders, and bodies in harmony with fast-paced clapping and slapping sounds. The performance is usually accompanied by traditional Aceh songs containing messages of wisdom, moral values, and encouragement for unity. This strong combination of rhythm and lyrics reflects the cultural and spiritual life of the Aceh people. One of the most remarkable moments for Ratoh Jaroe was during the opening ceremony of the 2018 Asian Games in Jakarta, where thousands of performers showcased the dance, impressing audiences worldwide.